हेलो गाइस, दिस मैं सुधीर घाघरे। आप सबका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल एजू टॉक पे सुधीर में स्वागत है। और आज की इस वीडियो में हम अनबॉक्सिंग करेंगे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट अज्योर डेवलपर कम्युनिटी की तरफ से आए हुए बॉक्स को। सो इफ यू टॉक अबाउट माइक्रोसॉफ्ट अज्योर डेवलपर कम्युनिटी, सो इट इज ऑल अबाउट नेटवर्किंग, इट्स अबाउट upskilling, it's about learning. What we do in Microsoft Azure developer community is we used to regularly conduct a workshop and speaker session with our industries experts who teaches us about who guide us about the upcoming industrial trend and also tell us about the best industrial practices. So अब तो ये फिलोसॉफिकल ज्ञान काफी हो चुका है। सो आगे बढ़ते हैं अपने मेन कंटेंट के तरफ। सो चलिए अनबॉक्सिंग स्टार्ट कर देते हैं। सो फाइनली हम अपने जो बॉक्स आया माइक्रोसॉफ्ट की तरफ से, हमें ये बॉक्स आया है, उसको हम अभी अनलॉक करेंगे। So let's open the wrapper. So here you can see it's written fragile. So we will have to handle it quite carefully. And it's written the way I am clearing it out. It's just like yeah. Yeah. तो एटलीस्ट हमारा भी रैपर वाला जो पार्ट है वो तो हो गया, निकल गया अभी। So it's quite a big box which you could see over here, and yes. Whoa. So this is a gift hamper from Microsoft. Let me put it in this manner, right? So let's open it out and see what is there. I'll provide you all the link of all the social medias. You can join our communities. What you can do is you can be a speaker. So this is a gift hamper which I have obtained from Microsoft Azure. So Azure is a cloud services which is provided by Microsoft, obviously. Just wait a minute. Okay, cool. So I can see. Let me tore this out as well. Taking bit quite time. Okay, so this is the this is what I had received from Microsoft. They are saying, "Dear Sudhir, welcome to Azure Developer Community." Thank you, Microsoft. Thank you, Shivir Choria. He's a Azure Business Group Lead. Thank you. I had received your slides, you can say. So I'm extremely delighted to receive this T-shirt by Microsoft. Thank you, Microsoft, for your and Confirm community. I'll definitely work hard for community and try to leverage the community. Will do good work in open source. Let me So this is a blazer which is Microsoft has provided me. So yes, so this is a blazer, you can see, and let's see what is there inside. Yes, this is a box which have been provided by Microsoft. Okay, so let's see what is there inside it. Let the kitty out of the bag. That's what idioms which I'll use. Oh wow, I could see. Well, it is a coffee mug, I guess. I used to have a coffee, so I got a coffee mug. Thank you so much, Microsoft. Just delighted to have this. So I got a coffee mug from Microsoft. I got a almond brittle. So maybe some dry fruits from Microsoft. Thank you so much, Microsoft. I'm pretty much delighted. Well, this might be the tripod. No, well, it is a zipper. Thank you so much, Microsoft. Thank you so much. Well, this is a zipper from Microsoft. I'll request Miss Shruti, who had accompanied me, to kindly show inside of the angle as well. Well, thank you, Shruti. Yeah. So, and now comes the bag. So this is the bag which I obtained from Microsoft. So it's time to open our Lalkia's almond brittle. So please, yaar, if I had pronounced wrong, so I'm sorry for that. Please comment box में मेरे को rightly pronunciation बता फिर भेज देना. But let's unboxing it now. First of all, we have to cut down the seal out here. It's seal packed. Let me tear down the seal. Yes, it's opening. It's opened. Just I hope. Yeah, we have successfully able to tore down the seal, right? So now it's time to open. Just wait a minute, yaar. I am holding the camera, so it might be maaf kar dena yaar मेरे को थोड़ा सा, because it's sometimes get difficult to unwrap. Okay. Finally, the cover is out. Now it's time to open and see what's there inside. Whoa, awesome. Thank you so much, Microsoft. Thank you so much for these snacks I had received from your end. Thank you so much. Let me open and show to you. So this is an I guess, well, yeah, this is an, yeah, it's opened up. So there are a pack of 9 almond brittles.